Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, your go-to spot for the hottest tech that amps up your home setup. Today, I'm pumped to review the Sony BRAVIA 9 85-inch Mini-LED TV bundle, complete with premier streaming perks, available right now on Amazon. If you're chasing that ultimate big screen thrill with crystal clear 4K and extras that make movie nights epic, this bundle is calling your name. Hang tight because I'll break it down and show why it's a smart grab. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's dive into the features that make this BRAVIA 9 bundle shine. The star is the 85-inch Mini-LED QLED panel with over 2,000 local dimming zones, delivering black so deep and contrast so sharp it rivals OLED without the burn-in risk. QLED tech pumps out vibrant, lifelike colors, and peak brightness tops 2,000 nits, perfect for sunny rooms or HDR explosions that pop. The XR processor upscales any content to near-native 4K, turning old favorites into fresh visuals. Sound? Acoustic Multi-Audio Plus with 70 watts, frame tweeters, and upward drivers for Dolby Atmos immersion. Dialogue stays front and center, effects surround you like a theater. This bundle sweetens the pot with Sony Premier streaming, unlimited access to high bitrate 4K movies, IMAX enhanced titles, and studio masters via the Bravia Core app. Think cinema quality streams without extra subscriptions. Smart Side runs Google TV, intuitive, app-packed with voice control through Alexa or Google. Gamers rejoice, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, 120Hz refresh, VRR, ALLM, and PS5 exclusives like Auto HDR tone mapping for zero-lag optimization. Now, the pros and cons are straight up. Pros, unbeatable picture with precise dimming and color accuracy. Bundle streaming saves cash on extras, top gaming performance, sleek, slim design with flush mount. Eco modes cut power use. Setup is simple with an adjustable stand. Cons, bundle pushes price around $3,500. Not cheap. It warms up on long binges, so ventilate well. Built-in sound is great, but bass fans may add a subwoofer. If premium visuals, free premium streams, and future-proof gaming matter to you, the pros crush the cons. This bundle is a winner for serious entertainers. I say go for the Sony BRAVIA 9 bundle. It's an all-in-one upgrade that'll wow every time. Quick call to action, love honest reviews. Subscribe for more tech wins, like to boost us. Click that affiliate link in the description to snag yours and support the channel. Use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, share with a buddy, drop a like or subscribe if helpful, and see you next.